Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be making an Easter cake. Okay, so I'm using a yellow box cake. So I'm just adding the mix in a bowl. Then I'm going to be adding in 3 eggs. Then I'm going to add a cup of water and a half a cup of oil. So now I'm going to be adding some vanilla extract and then I'm going to mix it. So you just want to make sure you mix everything in really well. Make sure you guys like the video and make sure you subscribe. Okay, so once I was done mixing, I just buttered the pan. Now I'm just pouring the mix in the pan and then I'm going to be putting it in the oven. Okay, so now that it's done, this is how it looks. So now I'm just going to be putting some green vanilla icing on. So now I'm just going to be adding the sprinkles that it came with. And then I'm going to be cutting it into squares and then adding some M&Ms on top.